Just wandering through finishing, and check out this hood. It's got a little taper as it goes up. It's a real simple mantle detail. Last but not least, you've got the chevron pattern that is in the center panel. We're in our tall cabinet area right now, and there's kind of a cool tall, it looks like it might be a closet cabinet. Let's get a closer look. Inside the actual cabinet in the back here, looks like some integrated eye lights. We've got 3 drawers or rollouts, whatever you want to consider them. They're all matching. And then this one has a 2-tier cutlery tray. It's nice. You've got the guides mounted in there for good function. So another thing on this cabinet is the Salice air hinge. So it's in the open position right now. It doesn't have the door on it, which would get attached to that part. And typically it's a narrow aluminum frame door. But your adjustments are built in right here. It's integrated into the actual box work. It's got soft close. And then your other adjustments are right on that side. Very, very cool. This door style caught my eye. It's got a squared off inside profile, almost an applied molding look. Let's take a peek. Here you can see it's just a subtle raise on the profile. We're in our hood staging area, and we have this shiplap style hood. This would be the bottom, so it's actually laying on its back. It's getting ready for its Vent-A-Hood liner. And what we do on this one, or what we did on this one, is it's actually just a 3/4 inch plywood panel. And these are actually just routs or saw kerfs in it to get the shiplap look. As always, thanks for watching. Happy Friday. Stay tuned for more.